Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious lemon meringue pie with condensed milk, step by step. First, let's prepare our crust. You'll need 1 1/4 cups of crushed graham crackers, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix these together well, then press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch pie plate. Pop it into the refrigerator to chill while we prepare the filling. This simple crust sets the stage for our amazing pie. Now for the star of the show, the creamy lemon filling. In a medium bowl, whisk 4 large egg yolks until they're light and smooth. Slowly pour in 1/14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, mixing continuously until fully combined. Next, stir in 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of lemon zest for that bright, tangy flavor. Pour this delightful mixture into your chilled pie crust. It's already looking incredible. Time to create that beautiful, fluffy meringue topping. In a clean, dry bowl, beat 4 large egg whites until soft peaks start to form. Slowly add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to beat. Keep going until your meringue is stiff, glossy, and holds its shape perfectly. Gently spread this cloud-like meringue over the lemon filling, making sure it touches the crust all around to prevent shrinking. Almost there. Place your pie in a preheated 325 degrees F oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the meringue is beautifully golden brown. Once baked, remove the pie from the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack for at least 1 hour. This is crucial for the filling to set properly. Finally, refrigerate the pie for at least 3 hours before slicing and enjoying your homemade lemon meringue pie. It's worth the wait.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.